Lane Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. If you want to learn everything there is about Turo, I'll say this. I created over 2,000 videos. I have about 3,000 videos that have been released and they're coming out constantly. But I have thousands of videos that you can actually review and learn everything about Turo for absolutely for free. You don't have to pay me any money. It's for free. I love doing this. And you can even learn from a jacuzzi. I'm hanging out in a jacuzzi. I made it so easy to understand where I show you how to build your business credit, how to build your personal credit, how to actually build your fleet, how to gain 1 car, 2 car, 20 car, 40 car, 100 cars. If you want to get a dealer license, if you want to buy cars from an auction or from a seller, how to protect yourself, how to select insurance, how to get commercial insurance. I go in deep detail on many different strategies, what insurance plan you should pick for free. So there's a lot of courses out there that sell or try to charge you. I'm doing it for free. I'm a Turo Paro, so you follow my Turo link in my description below. I leave all the proof there. You can see my multiple cars I own, and I've been doing this for a long time. I have 5 stars, and I make quite a bit of money on here. And you can do the same. You can be better than me. So if you want to learn for absolutely free, feel free to subscribe to the channel. And if you don't subscribe, at least watch the video. See if I'm full of crap. I guarantee I know what I'm talking about, and you'll like it too. And if you don't, hey, you can just pass and find another person who's better than me. But if you feel that I know what I'm talking about, you feel you can learn from me, feel free. Don't hesitate to subscribe. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share, comment out.